Hey everybody, we just got this folding wagon cart in yesterday from Elegear, a little folding wagon cart. This is it right here. We've already taken it out of the box. We're gonna go ahead and open this up, take a look at it, and see if this is something that you might be interested in, okay? First of all, first thing you have to do is we're gonna open it up. It's got some Velcro straps right here. Let's open it up. I haven't opened it up yet. This is the first time I've done this, okay? So we're figuring it out together, all right? So this also serves as the floor to the folding cart, right? So you'll see that in a lot of things, a lot of these folding carts. I have a larger one, very similar, okay? So this is the floor to the cart. So it wraps around with the Velcro to protect it. When you're storing it, you take it out of the bottom of the cart when you're done with it and collapse the cart back, close this back up to store it, right? So anyway, let's take this out and let's go ahead and expand it. All right. Now this is a smaller one, okay? This one, there are much bigger carts than this. I purposely got this one because it was smaller, all right? And so the idea here is for my daughter, she's a college student and she has to go get groceries and things, and to carry grocery bags up and down into a dorm room upstairs or up an elevator back and forth, you know, it just doesn't work very well. So this is absolutely something that I think if you have somebody going to college, this would be perfect for them, okay? Before we put the floor in, we've got to put the wheels on, okay? So let's flip it upside down. Take a look at the underneath. You can see how underneath here it's got this support system and it's kind of folds in, right? But we've got to get these wheels on. Here are the wheels. One thing I noticed when I ordered this is that the wheels are very big and very sturdy. So I like this. So this is not a, not a cheap looking wheels. I like that they're bigger, thicker, and they look like they could handle, different types of terrain. Some of the wheels have just a straight, these two wheels in the back have just a straight thing, and these in the front have a curved thing. These are the ones that go in the front. That's why that didn't work. Okay, that makes sense. There we go, because this is the front. Keep in mind, when you put this together again, the wheels right here, these are straight and these are curved. So the curved ones are going to be the ones that you want in the front. So the back wheels will not turn. They stay straight the whole time. There you go. So these won't turn. These are one-way wheels in the back, okay? You see that? So these are one way in the back, and this is the front. This is the one that turns, all right? These don't need to turn, okay? Very good. Ooh, listen to that. Nice, smooth, quiet. It's got some good bearings in these wheels to make them turn nicely. All right, now we got a little height to it. Let's push this down the rest of the way. We're gonna flip this down like this. And there we go. So, we've got a little zipper in here. You can see a little zipper in here, so you could put some things in here. Look, there's an extra top. If you lose one of these pieces, there's a spare. How about that? So there's a zipper in here with a spare top to hold the fabric in. One thing I saw about this fabric, if it gets dirty, you can unscrew these pieces here, pop this fabric out of here, and you can, I'm gonna tighten these up. You can pop this fabric out of here and you can put this in the washing machine. You can put this in the washing machine. I would probably be careful and just let it air dry, but you can put this in the washing machine. So if you have drinks or something that spill in here or something messes it up, you can pop this out, put it in the washing machine, let it dry out, and then put it back in and screw these back in. So these were kind of loose, so I'm gonna tighten these up a little bit. So that's good to know, right? Okay. So also what I noticed about this is deep, okay? The sides are high. So you could put a bunch of bags of groceries in here and probably stack some on top of each other as well. Get a good look at it right there. Plus, for storing in an apartment or a college dorm or something like that, this thing is not going to be huge. It weighs about 16 pounds. 16 pounds it said, okay? Let's look at the front of it right here. Two little drink holders here if you're taking this out on a beach, you know, day trip for a beach or a picnic or something, or tailgating, anything like that. So you can put some drinks in here, slide your phone in here, or your wallet or your car keys or something of that nature. Remember, for privacy back here, there is a zipper in here, so you could put a wallet or phone in the zipper back here as well. And then the handle in the front, let's go ahead and pull that up. It's got one of these handles that pop up. I really like this. So you can pull it down and you're pulling it, you're pulling it around and you let go and it pops back up. Then push this to push it back down and you can go back and store it. Let's take a look at it. We'll stand up. Let's get a good look at it again right here. So the folding wagon cart from Elegear. This is going to be a smaller but sturdy cart. In my opinion, a small, sturdy cart, and that's exactly what I was looking for my family member. You can see right here, you can see the wheels in the front pivoting around, the wheels in the front moving around, and look at the handle. It goes from side to side. If I want to pull it this way or that way, comes out. If I want to let go, just let go. Right there. Compartments in the front to hold drinks or whatever, car keys. Again, unscrew these and you can pop this right out. Take this off of here. Show you. Pull this out and you can pull the entire fabric out if you wanted to, okay? If not, you just screw it back in, screw it back on, and they included a spare. So there you go, the cart from Elegear. Sturdy cart. This should do exactly what we need. If you're looking for a cart, a small sturdy cart, maybe this one's what you're looking for.